What's going on, everybody? I'm Gilberto from Credit Guys, the show where we talk all things credit, business, and finance related. Today's video topic is going to be how to increase your credit score 50 to 150 points in less than 60 days using this secret little hack. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So how do you raise your credit score 50 to 150 points within 30 to 60 days very quickly? Well, the answer is a primary trade line. So what is a primary authorized user trade line? It's basically piggybacking off of somebody's good credit reporting history. A super easy way. Now there are services that do sell primary trade lines. If you're not looking to purchase one, an easy way would be to basically piggyback off of your spouse, or maybe your mom or your dad or your sister or a brother, somebody you can trust, right? Who has great credit already, and you're looking to, and they don't mind trying to help you out. So basically what it is let's say I have a credit card with Chase and it has a $50,000 credit limit on it, right? And I've had this credit card for 10 years. I don't really keep a balance on it, right? The balance under it is 20%. I've never made a late payment on it. Everything historically with this account is fantastic. And I have my wife who, is looking to apply for a Chase credit card or is looking to boost her score, quickly within 30 to 60 days. Well, what she can do, or what I can do, is I can call Chase and say, hey, I would like to add my wife as a primary user on my Chase credit card. You'll submit a few pieces of information, social security, date of birth, first and last name, I believe. And then at that point, they will give her her own credit card that will come in the mail. It's up to you whether or not you want to share that card with that person. You absolutely don't have to if they just want to reap the benefits of having a primary account on their credit file. Now, what that's going to do for the person who has added it to their account is it's going to add, number one, a primary account. It's going to add, number two, age. So the 10 years that I've had that credit card open, it's going to add that age to the account. And then number three, it's going to add that credit limit. So that $50,000 credit limit is now going to be established onto her account, and that will open up free $50,000 line of credit. Some bonuses about that is, let's say they're carrying higher than normal balances on their credit cards, right? And they add that trade line on there, that will bring down their utilization ratio, which also will help increase their credit score. So now that she has that Chase credit card on her account, she can go in herself and apply for that Chase credit card. And she can apply for multiple different credit cards actually as well. And they'll see that she can handle a $50,000 line of credit, and that will bump up her ability to get approved for higher, or have access to higher lines of credit. So simple little trick a lot of people aren't aware of: primary account authorized user trade lines. Do your due diligence before looking to add one or purchasing one, right? Make sure it reports correctly to all three bureaus, or at least two of the main bureaus. It's a great way to increase your credit very quickly. You can add as many primary authorized user trade lines as you can. And then some people even sell their trade lines, right? If you have, let's say you're somebody who has a $10,000 credit limit credit card, you don't keep any balances on it, you've had it for a long time, you can even sell that service, right, for $150 or $300 or whatever it is, to somebody else to add them as an authorized user on your account, right? You don't give them the credit card, so there's no risk to you. That'll increase their credit score. They can apply for whatever it is that they're looking to do. And at that point, once they get approved, then you can just simply call and remove them as an authorized user. So cool little tips and tricks that you can use with a primary authorized user trade line. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video from Credit Guys. Take care.